To transfer XRP from Crypto.com to Ledger Flex, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Crypto.com account and a Ledger Flex hardware wallet. If you do not have a Ledger Flex, purchase one and set it up according to the manufacturer's instructions. Begin by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the account dashboard. Click on the Transfer button and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. In this case XRP. Choose the External Wallet option and click on Continue. Next, open the Ledger Live application on your computer and connect your Ledger Flex to the computer. Using a USB cable, unlock your Ledger Flex and open the Ledger Live application. Navigate to the Accounts tab and click on Add Account. Search for XRP and click on Continue. Ledger Live will prompt you to confirm the addition of the XRP account on your Ledger Flex. Confirm the addition and wait for the account to be added. Once the account is added, click on the Receive button next to the XRP account. Ledger Live will display the XRP wallet address. Copy the XRP wallet address and return to the Crypto.com transfer page. Paste the XRP wallet address into the recipient field and enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Review the transaction details and click on Confirm. Crypto.com will prompt you to review the transaction details again and enter your 2FA code if enabled. Enter the code and click on Confirm. The XRP will be transferred from your Crypto.com account to your Ledger Flex hardware wallet. It is essential to note that transferring cryptocurrency can take some time, and transaction fees may apply. Always verify the recipient wallet address before initiating a transfer to avoid losing your funds. Ledger Flex provides an additional layer of security for your cryptocurrency, and it is recommended to use a hardware wallet for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency.